Hello and welcome to the start of something amazing. In this video, I am exploring why sketching remains an architect's most vital tool. In architecture, every big building starts with a small drawing called a sketch. Sketching is powerful. It's the first way architects show their ideas. It's quick, easy, and anyone can do it. If you're new to this, sketching is about trying out ideas, like how a square can turn into a house or a circle can become a window. If you've been doing this for a while, sketching helps you get all the details just right. It's where you make sure everything fits together perfectly. In the rush of creativity, when ideas flow like a river, sketching captures thoughts with immediacy and flexibility. It's the architect's shorthand for innovation. Sketching is important because it lets you test your ideas. You can see if they work and fix any problems before you start building. Every sketch can become a real building. It's like a seed that grows into a tree, but for buildings. Every magnificent structure you see started as a spark in the mind, swiftly brought to life on paper through sketching. It's the first step in making the invisible visible. Learning to sketch is learning the language of design. It's about speed, yes, but also about the freedom to experiment, to make mistakes, and to discover. Computers are great, but they can't replace sketching by hand. When you draw, you can be more creative and work faster. Learning to sketch is like learning a secret language. It's the first thing you need to know to start creating buildings. Sketching is where every architect starts. It's how we make the buildings we all use and love. Sketching is more than drawing, it's a form of thinking, a way to translate the abstract into the concrete. It's where every line is a journey from imagination to reality. Want to learn more about sketching? Come check out Sketch Zone. We have lessons and examples to help you draw your own amazing buildings.